Well, Midjourney's done it. They finally released version 7, and let me tell you, it's amazing. And of course, we're all playing with some stuff, but the thing I want to show you right now is the voice activated draft mode. It's the most incredible thing you've ever seen, and I want to do that right now. So, first off, let's make sure we're using version 7, okay? And then we want to go to draft mode. And then we're going to turn on the microphone, and I'm not going to describe anything because Midjourney's listening, but I want to show you how amazingly fast this is. Watch this. 1967 Ford F-150 profile view. Make it a street scene at sunset. That's too dark. Lighten it up a little bit. Make it a car magazine cover photo, California Car Club style lowrider. Make it a profile view. Use a cool color palette for the truck. Add racing rims to the tires. So you can see, isn't that amazing? Now your turn is to go out and play around with Midjourney version 7 and see what amazing things you can create. And by the way, if you'd like to learn more about how to use Midjourney better, be sure to check out our Midjourney Experience community and newsletter. Just click the link in the description. You can get easy access to the best information and a community of other professional creatives using Midjourney just like you. Drop any comments or questions below. Thanks for watching.